Guten Tag, Maroon Pod.
Guten Tag.
That's a good day in German. 2.3 divided by 2-digit divisors. Can you do it?
Yes.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, we know what a quotient is. Yeah, no? Yeah? All right, so we've got 3 divided by 6. Where does this number go in a division house?
Outside.
It goes where?
Inside.
So it would be 3 divided by 6, right? So this is actually called the what? The dividend, and the number on the outside is called the... Nice, okay. Whole number is any number that does not have a decimal or fraction and is above what number? 0. Please think before you answer. Think before you answer. It's not a race. We're not racing. All right, guys. We have 2-digit divisors. Sometimes maybe even 3. All of our notes are 2-digit divisors. If you have a 2-digit divisor, what can you use? In this classroom, from now on, if you have a 2-digit divisor, calculators are allowed. No other reason can you use a calculator. Not until after winter break, okay? Okay, so here's how we did it. We know that this is the dividend, and we know that this is the divisor, right? Let me just get my calculator pushed up here. Okay, and on this problem, we had 1,533 divided by 21, yes?
Yes.
Does 21 go into 1? Do I need to put my place value holder up here?
Yes.
Does 21 go into 15?
No.
So do I need to put a second place value holder?
Yes.
Does 21 go into 153?
Yes.
Say a couple of options. Number one, we're like, okay, does 21 go into 153? You could go 21 times 5, and you're like 105. That seems kind of small, right? So then you're like, okay, well, let's get a bigger number. Let's go 21 times 8, 168. Is that too big? So we did 21. Let's try 7. Does 7 work?
Yes.
So we put our 7 up here. We wrote a 147. As long as our difference, our subtraction, is less than 21, are we good? So is 6 less than 21?
Yes.
Sweet. Then we bring down our 3, yes? Does 21 go into 63?
Yes.
Some of you would just guess and check. But what I did is I took this 63, and I took this 21, and I'm like, well, it's really just 63 divided by 21, right? So on my calculator, I did 63 divided by 21, and look what happens. It's perfectly 3, right? 3 times 21, I finished my math problem at 63. I have nothing left over. I have my answer of 73, yes? Okay, so 2 options. 1, you can use guess and check. Or 2, you can use your division. So on this problem right here, we know that we have 0. I'm sorry. We know that we have 0. We know that we have 0, right? Does 33 go into 128? You could guess and check, or you could just do 128 divided by 33, and you get 3.87, blah, 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 blah. Do we care about anything after the decimal?
No.
We just know it goes in there how many times?
3.
So I put my 3 here, clear my calculator. What's 33 times 3? 99, and that's what I use to subtract. Do I still need to show all of this work? We good with these?